All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to do an example involving algebra, doing or using the two different methods you've just seen. On the left, we're going to find a common denominator in both the top and the bottom. So x minus x over 4, the denominator will be 4, so this becomes 4x over 4, multiplying top and bottom by 4, minus 1x over 4. And on the bottom, the common denominator will be 6, so I will multiply top and bottom by 3, and top and bottom by 2. Nothing terribly difficult here, just working with common denominators in two different spots. The numerator now, because we have a common denominator, can be subtracted. So 4x minus x is going to be 3x over 4. The bottom is 3x over 6 minus 2x over 6. That will become x over 6. You'll notice that this division symbol is bigger because it separates the two fractions. Now that we have a division of two fractions, I'm going to rewrite this as a multiplication. When you divide by a fraction, you multiply by its reciprocal, or you flip and multiply. See, the 4 can be divided by 2. The 6 can be divided by 2. Whoops. And the x's cancel. That's important. What I'm left with is 3 times 3 on the top and 2 on the bottom, and this is my final answer. Now, I just said I canceled the x's, and when I say cancel, that means I'm dividing, and I can never divide by 0, which means x can't be 0, or I couldn't have done that step. Looking at the other method, I have basically three denominators, 4, 2, and 3. The lowest common denominator would be 12. So I'm going to multiply the top by 12 and the bottom by 12. And each of these, the top and the bottom, is a binomial. So I need to multiply 12 by this and 12 by that in both the top and the bottom. The numerator, the top, becomes 12x minus 3x. 12 times x over 4 would be 3x. The 12 divides by the 4. That's part of, or that's why we chose the 12. The bottom, 12 times x over 2, that becomes 6x minus 12 times x over 3, that's 4x. Now the numerator is 9x. The denominator, or the bottom, is 2x. Again, the x's cancel off, and I'm left with 9 halves. You will notice this method, I think, seems to be a little bit shorter than the other methods. So this is the one that I'm going to encourage moving forward.